Mark this, there will be terrible times in the last days. People will be lovers of themselves, lovers of money, proud, abortion, financial pressure, sex trafficking, drunk, immorality, lovers of God, having a form of godliness, but denying its power.
A crisis is coming and is here in our time and our generation.
Sin and compromise in our nation, our church, and our very lives.
But a revolution is also coming, a light in the darkness.
The greatest revival in history.
God, passionate for transformed people.
To whom will you pledge your allegiance?
Welcome back, rain. Welcome back, storms. I guess it's come to the day where we should stay indoors, for when it rains, it pours. But me, I'm just gonna find my way outside because I was made to face these storms. You see, I rise up every time I see it strike, hoping that maybe it will pause all the storms in my life. I guess it's how I escape, but late at night, I write to hear the whispers. He's speaking. So I offer up my fears for the kneading of this heart for the purpose of deep seeding, planting blessing in the place of pain, just what I've been needing. I have seen courageous young people reflect his love through the bleeding and saw how he took dry bones and recreated a being. The beatings made blessings in his hands. There's reasons that in all things we are made to stand and begin. By healing, I dance in sequence. Rain changes from falling to sprinkling, and his presence is all that matters to me. This walk in our lifetime is similar to breathing. You got to take in the truth and exhale the pieces that scatter to the roof of your mouth. Just speak it out, that stain of the pain for those eyes be seeking to pull down your speaking. For every word you utter causes chains to be released in this game for souls and speeches. For out of man's mouth comes the heart's deep secret, and the truth is the devil's weakness. So he preys upon you, keeping of your wounds and scars, his leeches, sucking all life from the children of the king. It's time to rise again, for the time has come to see this war for what it is. Find higher planes to preach this message about the truth. All of you must believe this war has already ended. God's defeated all the legions, lighting the way for all his kingdom, letting his light shine through our lives to those who need this. For all can be redeemed and brought back to freedom. God is here. That is what I'm teaching. Amidst the wandering and wondering of what's the reason for the constant change in season and the freezing of the frozen, I'm speaking to you chosen to answer the call spoken over your lives. Receive this love so that you may open your eyes and witness the precious thoughts he has for you. More than the stars in the skies, for you he cries. To the north, give them up. And to the south, do not hold them back, for you are sons and daughters of the King, my friends. That is a fact.